California avocados are popularly used in savory dishes like guacamole, toast, or even salads. But have you ever considered using them in sweet dishes? Hi, I'm Zung from Honeysuckle, and I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks on how you can incorporate them into your next sweet treat. There's a myth that California avocados only belong in savory dishes and cannot be used for sweets or desserts. But did you know they're an amazing creamy substitute for butter, oil, or cream in dessert dishes? Avocados are known for their versatility thanks to their soft texture and mild taste. By replacing or supplementing some of your more traditional pantry staples like butter or shortening with California avocados, you can reduce your intake of saturated fats, cholesterol, and sodium. When swapping out butter with California avocados, usually a 1-to-1 ratio will work perfectly. Just replace 1 cup of butter for 1 cup of pureed avocados. Check out some of the most popular California avocado desserts on the California Avocado website, like the Dark Chocolate Avocado Mousse, Avocado Frozen Pops with Berry Swirls, and Fudgy Chocolate Avocado Muffins. Links for those recipes are in the description. For more information on nutrition, avocado substitutions, and sweet recipes, please visit californiaavocado.com.